now entering our 2-bedroom floor plan. Within this floor plan, we do have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and all the necessities that you need to cook within your kitchen. We also have a washer and dryer that is in every single unit. Once we walk this way, you will come into our living room. Within the living room, it does come with the chair, the TV stand, couch, and the table. Some of our apartments do have balconies, and all of them have a great view. We will now be entering bedroom B of our 2-bedroom floor plan. Within each of our bedrooms, it does come with a full XL size bed, as well as dressers, desk, and a desk chair. Each person also will have their own private bathroom within each of their bed spaces. So, what would you like to see next? Another floor plan or our amenities? Click below.